Has this chicken decided to occupy the niche left by the absence of ducks on an organic pool, or been seduced by the cloudiness of water, giving the impression it's solid? Either way, it doesn't seem to have been a good idea, but is incapable of seeing a way out of the situation. Hello, I'm David Pagan Butler, and before I begin today's subject, which is my pond is ridiculously cloudy, is this a problem? I just want to share a bit of news. Up until the last few weeks, I have also been working for the BBC as well as doing ponds. But I have decided to give up working at the BBC and concentrate entirely on ponds. Now, I know I'm probably the only person in the world to ever do such a move, but there we go. Ponds have won out by a long shot, actually. Thank you. Now, what it does mean is I've got no excuse for my slovenly behaviour in responding to YouTube comments. I'm really sorry that I've just neglected you guys. So I hope things will improve from now on, and I can concentrate more on my core subject, which is these. Now, look at the pond. It's all gone all milky. And why is this? Well, the reason is basic, gross neglect. I have not done any proper maintenance on this over the years. I've once or twice taken out some vegetation, rotting vegetation, just to reduce the overall nutrient level in the pool. But this last winter, I haven't done anything. So as a consequence, we're getting a lot of organic matter rotting down. Now, what it is, this cloudy water is due to bacteria. Now, don't get all panicky. It's not gross or anything. These are really nice bacteria that are just living on the nutrient-rich, decaying matter in the pond. Is it a problem? Not at all. This will clear in a matter of, well, a week, 2 weeks maybe, because the sun is now shining. Fantastic. It's a really warm February day, and I've seen insects. I've even seen a brimstone butterfly, the first of the year. Absolutely amazing. And some plants are starting to grow. Once the plants start to grow, then the ecology starts to shift in favour of the larger plants. What will probably happen is it will turn from being milky to being a bit cloudy and browny, greeny cloudiness, and that's going to be due to algae. But it's a process of succession, and then once the larger plants get established, then the algae should die back again. So it is going to clear, but at the moment it does look like you're diving into milk. Doesn't taste like milk. It's a bit brackish. Yeah, it's tasted better. In order to accelerate the transition to clear water, I've turned on my bubble-powered circulation system and introduced my Olive biofilter in a piece of blatant product placement. My Olive biofilter is available for sale, and there's only 100 left, so get one while you can.